spotting Tampa International. Breeze getting us started. AK Foxy Moxie. Hello to all the crew, the captains, the flight attendants, and everybody at Breeze. Appreciate you being on board. Oh, it is blowing. I'm gonna have to get my dead cat muffler on to dent some of this wind noise. Oh, I gotta go get my road microphone. This is nuts. Woo! Northwest, wind's blowing about 30. External mic on. This should be helping. Breeze wasn't ready. Southwest ahead. Winds are 29 now. And it's AA taxis for one left. Some really good news. All my technical issues are fixed. Yeah, and I figured it out myself. The big issue was really with OneDrive, which popped up somehow on my computer about a week ago when all these problems started. And it was trying to upload to the cloud all day long, like 2,000 videos. It had everything all jammed up, no matter nothing was working.
Yeah, I'll get that. Overdrive. American 29 Julie, Tampa, are you ready? Affirmative. 29 Julie, 13320, that's 24, only one left for takeoff. Ready to go one left.
Well, I took my external mic off, hoping this is going to work without it. The thing's so clumsy, it's just hard to hold the camera still when you got it on. It works best with a tripod. I'm freehanding it. This is 2908 that we saw taxi. Philadelphia Freedom. Philadelphia, PA.
Aircraft runway 1 right, arrival, Microburst with 30 knot lost over the runway, airport wind.
Whoa.
32019er, Gusts 24.
Microburst alert. 30 knots. Woo!
We copy for November 1570.
It's super thanks, super shout out time at spotting TPA. I had to find a place to get out of the wind. Super thanks, super shout out to Scott Houston, West 264, Willard Miller, and Joseph S. My apologies, Joseph, for not saying your last name, but I'm afraid I'd screwed up. Thank you again, Scott, Wes, Willard, and Joseph for supporting the channel. It's truly, truly appreciated. And if you'd like to support the channel like Scott, Wes, Willard, and Joseph, please check out the super thanks icon, or better yet, the PayPal link in the description down below where it says more. PayPal doesn't take much in the way of fees, put it that way, and benefits us here at Spotting. And if you haven't done so already, hope you take a moment, smash that subscribe button, like, share, hit the notification bell. Uploads each and every day. You don't want to miss a single episode. Again, Ben, again, a big thanks to Scott, Wes, Willard, and Joseph. Let's just get right back to the aviation action.
One left, third land. Block. Envoy 379, only one left, third land, wind street 2022, Gusts 2. One left, third land, over this. Yeah, 24, 21, you ready, or still waiting? I was just wondering, what are you showing the wind? Oh, you just read off the wind, but that's all I was asking here, 24. The wind 32022, Gusts 26, and the Windshear went off for like 5 seconds, then it went away. I haven't received another one since.
brand spanking new A321 Neo.
2421. That's 2421. Roger, wind 32022, Gusts 26, runway 1 right and clear for takeoff. 1 right, clear for takeoff, again, 2421.
326. Chicago O'Hare, Lord. 1,012 miles. 2 hours and 4 minutes.
Return, was it with 5332, 2326? Okay, right turn and ground point 70, 2326 today. Okay, ground point 70.
Hey, if you've been flying any of these new United A321s, let me know what you think. Boy, I've heard some great things so far. Oh, they're going around the other way. United 2421 Microburst problems. They're going to vacate the runway until these winds settle down.
Runway 1 right arrival, Microburst alert, 35 knot lost over the runway.
Ooh, 35 lost knot. That's a bunch.
Tower 297, what was that? Microburst for Windshear alert for this runway. Yeah, getting the runway 1 right arrival, Microburst alert, 30 knot lost over the runway. The airport wind speed 2023 and the Microburst equipment just went off. Okay, thanks. Keep you updated if I get another.
UPS, not UPS. Why do they say UPS? I think they just said UPS. United, they vacated the runway because of the microburst. They're canceling that 1 right takeoff and they're coming over here to the left. They don't want to monkey around with it anymore.
And United 2421, continue down the runway left at Juliet and then ground point 7. Left turn Juliet, 27.
And here they come.
Tower November 2 on 10 Alpha. We are ready. Runway 1 right. Stand by.
They're on the runway. Easy for me to say. And they're going to get off vacate at Juliet. Captain Javi. This one's for you. 284 from MDW Midway. Over there in Captain Javi's backyard. $998 miles, 1 hour and 58 minutes flying time. 737-800.
1477, stand still on 1 right, line up and wait. Line up and wait, runway 1 right, Southwest 1477.
United 16 and a quarter, Boeing Max 8. From EWR, Newark.
American 2898, that's a 5 mile final, runway 1 left, line wait.
998 miles, 2 hours, 35 minutes. And United, we just saw taxing. That's the one that vacated 1 right due to the microbursts.
Today, 1477 contact.
Tomorrow the weather should be pretty much the same. One big difference. Winds will be, looks like 10 and under. No 30 knot winds. No microburst, hopefully.
Departure CMX 29.
Delta's 2450 A321 service to the Motor City DTW. Just a pinch under 1,000 miles. The nice part, it's over 900 miles, which means if you're in first class, you're getting lunch.
Yeah, 2421, Tampa down, runway 1 to 11, line of away, starting 6 miles. 1 last line, boarding United 2421.
Delta Airbus and the wall of shame. Kiss my, you know what.
Delta 2450, contact departure. Good day, Delta 20.
What, does everybody wants to win the Wally Award now?
0.
Well,
That's 2421, that is one right again. Do you want to go or do you want to pull off?
We're ready to go, United 2421.
And then the equipment just went off normal microburst on the right. Either wind is 34025, Gust 30, United 2421, 1 left to clear for takeoff.
1 left clear for takeoff, United 2421.
Southwest 1059, wind 34025, Gust 30, only 1 left to clear to land. Clear land 1 west, southwest 1059.
Microburst again is over on 1 right. That's the east side. 2421 to board.
Simply 1689, checking in visual 1 left. 1689, Tampa Tower, wind 34025, Gust 30, only 1 left, clear to land. Clear land 1 left, simply 1689.
United had lined up twice on 1 right. As Microburst said, hey, can we go over to the left side? That's what a good captain would do. Delta, this is really embarrassing. A 7-3 from United clears the wall of shame, and the Delta Airbus hits the wall of shame. And I haven't moved positions.
Tampa Tower, fairway, 370, 2421, got out of departure.
2421.
Plus or minus 10, plus the 35 knot microburst on 1 right.
Joey 78, Tampa Tower, only 1 right, clear for takeoff. 1 right, 778. Wind is 34024, Gust 30. Alright, which is with and 170 right southwest. I'm not.
JetBlue's new livery, 1689 from PVD. That's Providence, Rhode Island. A320. Oh, lean it. Oh, bounce it. 1,137 miles, 3 hours and 7 minutes today. Last arrival reported Windshear below 500 feet. Ooh, heavy jetted McDill. Is that a KC 135? Dallas, Fort Worth, DFW. Spirit of the sky, Norman Green Bob. Hey, 321 Neo. They're a half hour late. 929 miles, an hour 53 minutes. Looks like they left an hour late. I just looked. It was a KC-135 that took off from McDill. I don't recognize his voice in the tower, do you?
Right turn whiskey 6, right turn whiskey, crab pipe, back 25.
3143 from Denver. 737 700.
242, contact departure.
2 hours, 49 minutes. We can see the white caps on the water on the bay, huh?
Traffic 3.5 miles to 120.
Whoa! That was a gust. 2442 from Charlotte. Airbus A321. 509 on the mileage. An hour and 25 minutes of flight time. And I'm still getting blown up all over the place. I'm trying to lean on the mobile command office. Ooh, I did me. Action there. Well, gang, that's a wrap. That's going to conclude the Microburst, the Windshear, this crazy windy day at Spotting Tampa International. Certainly appreciate you being on board. So do the crows. Can't thank you enough for being here. If you haven't done so already, hope you'll take a moment to smash that subscribe button, make sure, hit the notification bell, uploads each and every day, you betcha. And if you'd like to support the channel, please check out the super thanks icon, or better yet, the PayPal link in the description below where it says more. And as always, we'll see you again tomorrow at another edition of Spotting Tampa International, and soon a surprise airport and the world's busiest airport coming up as well, Atlanta's Hartsfield Jackson Maynard International Airport. See you.